Hey folks, welcome back to Family Adventures, and I hope everyone is doing fine. Before we dive into this video, I want to say a very big thank you to all our subscribers. Guys, we finally hit 100 subscribers. Yes, this might seem like small to some, but to us, it's really big milestone, and we're so grateful for each and every one of you who has been here since day one. For everyone who took their time to just hit that subscribe button, and for believing in us, you guys. And that shows us that there's someone out there who is enjoying this journey with us. Do you know like how I'm feeling this? Imagine now 100 of you are put in a room. It's a huge number, right? And I'm supposed to address you guys. Of course I love cheats, right? Oh my god. It's making me emotional. There's 100 people. 100 of you believe in us. That's big. And you know what? This is just one of the wins that we are yet to celebrate. We will even celebrate more and more wins. We will even celebrate and K plus subscribers in this channel. So thank you so much for everyone who is in this beautiful family of ours. Okay, feel appreciated, feel seen, feel valued, and we really appreciate you guys. So thank you so much. Let's continue growing together, and we love you so much. Okay guys, enough of that emotion. So today's video is all about it's an out and about video, and if there's one thing I really come to appreciate is how refreshing it is to just step outside with family. No big plans, just that walk, the fresh air, interaction with nature. It makes sense small, but to be frank, there's something that it does to your mood. It's just something, just calmness, interaction with the nature, and the energy. It's just something, yeah. You guys do step out with your kids or your loved ones and explore outside? Do you just take those evening walks or walks, just few minutes walks? How does it make you feel? Yeah. What does it make you feel? You can just tell us in the comment section. I'll do what take place over this, yeah? Anyways, enough of that. So today I want you guys to enjoy this our video, this our out and about video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like this particular video and check out the other videos, and if you enjoy, so enjoy the video.
Hola, hola. Sí.
Hola.
Hey. Okay. Hi. Say to the camera. Mko vipi? What are you doing?
Doing things.
Guys, we're just on a walk.
The other side, yes. We go. Yes, this is poo for God. No, not touching that one. You don't touch poo. Yes.
Hey, hola. Hi.
Say hi. Say hi. This is Domeko.
Where is it? Show them, please. Yay! Okay. Go, Lumi. Go, Lumi.
Good.
Okay.
See this one.
This one is here. Speak. Hey.
Oh, my. Do what? You take this one. Come.
No, this one.
Which one?
This one.
I do what?
Oh,
I thought for you this one like this.
no. No, this one. Anna.
Oh, the fruit.
This fruit is yummy.
No, no.
It's yummy apple. Oh, God.
Ndio ni azije za kutoa. Okay, inajua inadunga.
Fire. You will see fire.
It was small. Oh, small. That one.
Which one?
This one. Take this one.
Small. No. Take it small.
I thought a small one.
Small.
The small one.
No.
Big.
Stop hearing. This one.
This one.
Yes, good.
Kiasifanya nyaka itu. Take this one. Big one too. Let's go now.
There you go.
It's white.
Yes.
It's white. Stop it. Green light.
Hmm.
Green light.
Yes, the green light there, red. See that? Hurry up, come now. Walking. You like it? Walk. Okay, walking. Now stop.
No, come.
Stop. Poo-poo. For what? Poo-poo for God. It's not bad, mommy.
Touch.
You want to touch?
Mhm.
Okay, touch.
It's bad.
Yeah. You want to touch poo-poo? Okay.
Touch is perfect.
Like this.
Wait.
Like this. Like this. You like that. Like this. You throw up. Look. Check. You like that.
Oh.
Kwani hiyo ndogo iko?
Ndio ile pale.
Mama, come up.
The flowers, yellow flower.
Go.
6 months yellow flowers.
Won't you a flower?
Which one do you want?
Which other one? Show mama.
Oh
Oh, what is it?
no, it's doing green.
Ndio
Did
amegunduka
you throw
imeanguka.
down?
This one, take.
No, take. That is giving you another one. Say thank you. What else do you want? Don't throw that one again, okay?
This one. Okay. Take this one. Take.
Let's go.
Take this one. Take this one.
You want to remove alone? Okay, cut.
Cut. Take this one. Take and this one.
Your mother said you want to go out. Why are you tired? You go down and walk alone. Why?
That one?
Dada, see flower, Louie.
Show flower.
Oh no!
See flower shop.
It's put down.
See for mama.
It's put down.
Show root. You hold this. Hold it here.
Smell the roses. Smell the flower. Smell. Yes.
So hii stone iko along this ridge hivi. Nenda huko. Ni kama
Hii ndio wanachimba.
ni kama imechimba for a very long time.
Yes.
It's bad. It's bad.
Let's go.
Yes, yangu. Ini adventure. Okay.
Guy. Mtu anaweza anguka, si ndio?
And it was evening.
Whoa!
And in the evening,
Oh my God. Let's go, Mommy. We are going home now. We are so tired. Yes, let's go. So tired.